Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less. And one of my favorite videos to film for you guys is cleaning videos. And the reason I love that is because the reason I think that minimalism is so great is because it saves us time on cleaning. And it also helps us to be less overwhelmed. So there's more time to do the stuff we want to do, whether that's watching a show on Netflix with your husband once the kids have gone to bed, or tackling new projects, or going out and having adventures. As far as I'm concerned, the least amount of time we can spend cleaning while still having a space that makes us feel relaxed and we all enjoy being in it, that is my goal. So today I thought I would take you along with me throughout my day when I do all these little bits of cleaning, because some of you have asked me, like, how long do you spend cleaning every day? And of course that changes day to day, especially for me because we fluctuate between having 3 kids and having 5 kids. And so all those things make a difference. Even just the weekend days when the kids are home doing craft projects, or on a weekday where most of the kids are at school, all of those things change. But one thing I do is I always like to say that I want to just keep it to a level where it's quick to get back to square one. I'm not afraid of messes. They're going to happen. They mean we're living our lives to the best we can. But one of the things I like to do is just get it back to square one, reset for the new day, the new night, the new next thing we're on to. So I'm going to take you with me today. If you're cleaning along with me, that I love to hear it. When you guys tell me you're cleaning along with me, that makes my day. No matter how, tell me every time you're doing it, because I just love it so much. So guys, let's get to cleaning, and I'll take you along and show you how I make little micro jobs all work together to keep on top of things. I don't know about you guys, but my kitchen sets the tone for how clean my house is. I don't know what it is about it, but if my kitchen's clean, it feels like everything else feels cleaner. It's probably just in my head, but that's how it goes. So after every meal, I try and get the kitchen reset just so that we're ready to go for the next meal. As you can see, I have a toddler who also wants to help out, but I like to get everything reset after every meal so that we're ready to go for the next one.
Being in love, felt that kind of love, girl, I really doubt it. Now the one you're thinking of, you just shake it up when we talk about it. Just one more time, I cannot fight this feeling. Put your lips to mine, all that I'd ever want. But I know you're not the kind of girl that I can really trust, no. Cause you do whatever you want, baby, what about us? I walk away.
Another thing I like to do early in the day, so this is cleaning up after breakfast, is just get something ready for dinner. Whether it's something in the slow cooker, or get a plan together for what we're going to do, or prepping some vegetables. If I get this going, it just sets a really good tone for the rest of the day, and I know what's going to happen in the evening.
Life could be much better without you.
I wish I could tell you I was the type of person that made my bed as soon as I get out of bed every morning, but that is just not the case. Usually I don't get back to it till after I've cleaned the kitchen in the morning, but I do go into my room, give it a freshen up, a vacuum, open up all those blinds and the windows so it's nice and fresh for a new day. As you can see, I still have no bed, but that is just because I'm super picky and I can't decide on one, but I promise it is coming soon.
Try to walk away. I walk away.
My girls are great helpers and they're great at making their beds. One of the things that I find really helpful is that the kids in general are much more motivated to get things done if I'm in there with them, giving them a hand. So that's just the one thing that I find works for my kids. As in my room, I open up their blinds and their windows to let that light and fresh air in.
I've seen your face only once this weekend. You keeping busy, always things to do. Our situation still undecided. None of us knows what we wanna do. It happened last week when I stopped by your place. My hands were shaking when I rang your bell. And out of all the things we thought could happen,
Each day I like to set aside at least 15 minutes to catch up on those jobs that don't need doing every day, and I just get as many as I can done in that time. So I will wipe down windows, I'll clean mirrors, I'll spray down shower screens, that type of thing, and over the course of a week or so everything gets done and then I just start the routine again.
we can stay up late like if nothing matters. You can hold my hand when no one's around. And I bet that we both are waiting for something, but we can't wait until the feeling's gone. If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted, and this for what it's worth, give it a try.
When it comes to daily cleaning, I break it up into two parts. So in the morning, I have a whole set of cleaning, and then in the late afternoon, evening, I clean again, and I try and just keep it to those 2 times. This is when I'm getting dinner ready. I'm just sorting out a few things that we purchased, getting those put away, and while dinner is cooking, I am cleaning up the kitchen so that there's way less to tackle after dinner.
If you show me that wanted, and this for what it's worth, give it a try. But if you stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's for what it's worth, give it a try. If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted, and this for what it's worth, give it a try. And if we stay like this, then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's
This is now after dinner, and Caleb usually takes the little ones and gets them started on baths and that sort of heading into bedtime routine while I do everything in the kitchen. So I usually set aside some leftovers for my husband for the next day, tidy everything up, and this is my time where I'd give the kitchen a really good deep clean so that when we start the new day, everything is fresh. I make sure that all of the benches, the seats, and the floor are done at this clean, and I also make sure that I put the dishwasher on straight away so that I can unstack it before I go to bed.
running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving to the drums.
One habit that I found really helpful was that whatever couldn't fit into the dishwasher, I make sure I wash it up straight away. That just means that absolutely everything is done, all the benches are clear when I go to sleep. I don't soak anything overnight. I try and deal with it all in one go.
Oh, my baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving, do the drums now. Do the drums now. I follow your heartbeat, to the ending of the ocean. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving, do the drums now. Do the drums now. I follow your heartbeat, to the ending of the ocean. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. Every road that we know how to take is lost. We've worn out the mystery. Every answer that's harder to face.
Just before I go to bed each night, I also just like to run around our house and just fix up any of those last minute items so that when we wake up in the morning, everything is really fresh, it's been vacuumed, and we start the new day with a clean house.
No, not even close enough to know if it's real or a bluff. You love me like it's struggling to hold back. Then you wonder why we never last. You love me like you're walking on the moon, but you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon. Thinking back to
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe and join our community. Here are some other videos we think you might like. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you'd like more videos like that. And I will catch you guys in the next one.